Hi, we'll be seeing the next problem in comparison of ranks. For more clarification about the assumption and statements, you just refer to my previous video in this problem 1. I have explained clearly about the assumption and statements. So here I will be moving a little bit faster but unexplainable statements. We'll move to the problem. 6 compounds are being tested for possible use in a new anti-poison, sweet and deadly. What are those 6 compounds? They have given in 6 statements. U is sweeter than V and more deadly than Z. V is more sweeter than Y and less deadly than Z. W is less sweet than X and less deadly than U. X is less sweet and more deadly than Y. Y is less sweet and more deadly than U. Z is sweeter than U and less deadly than W. So these are the 6 statements they have given you. From these statements, what you get is they are going to make some new anti-poison. Okay, that's name the name of that they have given as sweet and deadly. Anti-poison's name. Okay, they have given 6 compounds U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So they have separated in 2 things. One is sweet and another is deadly. So we have to make the assumptions from this. Okay, U is more sweeter than V. So I am writing in the ascending order. U is more sweeter than V and more deadly than Z. U is more deadly than Z. V is sweeter than Y. Okay, so Y comes next. And less deadly than Z. Less deadly than Z. W is less sweet. They have just said that W is less sweet. So we don't know where to insert W. So we'll leave some space and write W. And less deadly than U. Okay, W is less deadly than U. So it may come in between U and Z. X is less sweet. This also they didn't mention where it will come. Okay, I'll write X here. X is less sweet. Y is less sweet. Okay, and X is less sweet and more deadly than Y. Somewhere Y should come. More deadly than Y. Y is less sweet and more deadly than U. Okay, Y is less sweet and more deadly than U. Z is sweeter than U. Okay, here we got the information. And less deadly than W. This is the assumption we have made it. Okay, now we'll move to the questions. Which is sweetest? Which is sweetest? Z is sweetest, right? Option E. Which of the following is or both sweeter and more deadly than V? Whereas V is here. Which of the following, the one we are choosing should be more sweeter and more deadly than V. So here we get U and another thing is U only. Yes, the answer. U and Z is there. U and Z is the answer. Which of the following adds no new information about the sweetness to the statements that preceded it? Okay, now they have asked the question from the statement. Which statement doesn't add any new information about sweetness to the statements? Read the statement 4 and 5. X is less sweet and more deadly than Y. Y is less sweet and more deadly than U. They have just said that less sweet and less sweet. They didn't say that it is sweeter than or it is less sweet than. They didn't mention. So according to the question about the sweetness to the statement that precede it, so statement 5 will be the answer. Which of the following is or sweeter than Y and more deadly than W? Sweeter than Y, it should be sweeter than Y and more deadly than W. Which one? W is here, W is here. Sweet only U and here also U. So the answer is U. Option A, U only. Which is the least deadly? Which is least deadly? V. Which is most deadly? Most deadly is X. Now you will find this problem easier to solve. Comparing to the previous problem one, this problem you can make the assumptions easily and you can solve it easily. So these problems are the mark scoring problems in the exams. Just try it once or twice. The assumption may come wrong, but you will get the assumption once or twice you try it. Thank you for watching my video.